function that we'll look at will be your height function. So this is where you can actually raise the entire C system up or down, depending on your needs within the field, or to clear drill pedals or table legs or whichever is on the floor. So for that, there will be controls. On this, we have a button feature. So for that, we would depress the raise button, and you can see the entire gantry lifts up. And this can usually extend up around about 30, 40 centimeters, and that would give you plenty of height. Now, when you're using this, you have to be careful of what is near the ceiling. Usually in the OR, you would have surgical lights. So you have to be very careful that you do not touch those or contaminate the C-arm drape, contaminate the light. So just be careful as you're raising the machine up. And you also have to be careful of how far the tube is raising up underneath the patient or underneath the bed. Because with its C shape, you don't want the C to be pressing up against the bed. And then we have an opposite function where we can lower the height of our C-arm. So this feature for raising and lowering would be the height function, and that would be the instruction: raise up, drop your machine, lower your machine, some things like that. But height is the function.